the architect of modern India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. He emerged as an eminent leader of the Indian independence movement, serving India as a Prime Minister from its established in 1947 as an independent nation until his death in 1964. He was also known as Pandit Nehru due to his roots with the Kashmiri Pandit community, while Indian children knew him better as Chachaji. Children's Day is celebrated each year on the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, which falls on November 14. The five principal pillars of Nehru's legacy to India: national building, democratic institution building, secularism, democratic socialist economy, a novel for foreign policy. In 1947, Pandit Nehru became the first person to hoist the national flag at the Red Fort. Here are a few rare factors you might know about Jawaharlal Nehru. His father, Motilal Nehru, served as a president of the Indian Congress for second term. Pandit Nehru studied law at Harrow and Trinity College, Cambridge. His fellow classmates called him Joe Nehru fondly. Pandit penned his biography toward freedom while in prison. He was the first Prime Minister to present the Union Budget in 1958 to 1959. He was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize many times from 1915 to 1955. Pandit altogether nominated 11 times by both national and international agents. On 27 May 1964, he died of a heart attack. I am not trying to start a dance. I am not capable of running from the grave. My legacy to India: hopefully it is 400 million people capable of governing themselves. Socialism is not only a way of life, but a certain scientific approach to social and economic problems. The forces in a capitalist society, if let checked, tend to make the rich richer and the poor poorer. Nehru had been in declining health for some time. He suffered a serious stroke in early 1964 from 22 to 26 May. He went to Dehradun for a short rest, returning to his office residence at Teen Murti Bhavan in New Delhi. He woke early the next morning and after complaining of a pain, Nehru remained loyal to Gandhiji even after the later call of the cooperating movement. Nehru had born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. He belonged to a community of Kashmiri community. His death news come on the newspaper. Jawaharlal Nehru died in the afternoon of 27 May 1964 at the age of 74. The great man, we give a salute. Thank you.